Woohoo! You are one step away from owning your dream home. Exciting, right? But wait, don't let this one critical step derail everything. Did you know that the mistakes during the final walkthrough can cost you time, money, and peace of mind, more importantly? In this video, I'll guide you through exactly what to look for during your final walkthrough and highlight the common issues to watch for and share a special gift at the end of this video to make the process absolutely stress-free for you. So hold on. Hey, this is Ravi Ramachandran, Managing Broker with the Rams Group, and I am so glad that you're here. On this channel, I provide actionable insights to help home buyers and sellers navigate the real estate market with total ease. To start off, take a deep breath. It's gonna be okay. I mean, the final walkthrough process. First, let's ease some of your anxiety with this process, okay? The majority of the final walkthroughs reveal no major problems, and even if they do, most issues can easily be resolved. Whether this home is new construction or resale, the walkthrough ensures that everything is as it needs to be before you officially become the homeowner. Think of it as your final safeguard, if you will. Then the next step number 2, let's call it, is a comprehensive checklist that you need to have. Preparation is key. Work with your agent to create a checklist based on your earlier walkthroughs, the inspection report, and any repairs that was agreed upon with the seller. Now, this checklist will keep the process organized and ensures that you do not miss anything out, making this critical. Now, here's primarily what should be on your list. Test all the appliances in the home. Turn them off, turn them on back, and see if they're functioning. Number 2 would be to check all the plumbing fixtures for any potential leaks. The third thing would be to inspect the windows, doors, and outlets for proper function. Step number 3 is to verify that all repairs that were negotiated are completed. Now, most sellers are honest and will complete upon the agreed upon repairs, but the responsibility to confirm that everything is fixed according to what was agreed to is your responsibility as the buyer. Remember, buyers beware. Always ask for invoices, receipts, and any potential warranties for any major work items that were completed. If something isn't fixed, bring it up with your agent immediately so that you may negotiate with the seller to either extend the closing date or withhold funds in escrow until the repairs are completely done. Always stay calm but firm. It's your home ultimately, right? And this step is crucial. Step number 4. Inspect previously hidden areas. This is something that is often overlooked. During your earlier visits, you may have missed certain areas because of either furniture or clutter being in your way. Now is the time to check everything thoroughly. Look under the rugs for any potential hidden damage or what have you. Inspect walls where furniture was previously placed for dents, dings, and scratches or even holes. Pay extra attention to basements as they can hide mold, water damage, and or structural issues. That takes us to step number 5. Check for missing items or subpar substitutions. Now, what do I mean? One of the sneakiest things that can happen is what I called secret swaps. Verify that the fixtures and the appliances that you saw during your earlier visits are still there. Now, for example, if a beautiful chandelier has been replaced with a cheapy light fixture, you have every right to demand that it be reinstated or negotiate compensation. Also, make sure that the sellers haven't taken anything defined as a fixture in your contract, like pipes, built-in shelving, or gazebos even. Everything listed in the contract should remain in the home before you take ownership, okay? Now, step number 6, this is important. Do not sweat the small stuff. And even if you do it with some thought put in. Now, what do I mean? It's easy to expect a spotless, picture-perfect home during your final walkthrough. But minor issues like dust, scuffs, or small scratches aren't worth stressing over. Save your energy for bigger issues that truly matter to you. Now, remember that moving in will inevitably cause some wear and tear anyway. So you have to make the call about what you need to pick and what you need to let go. Hey, a quick detour. If you're finding the content in this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video. Now, many buyers like you have reached out to me with questions, and I'd love to help you too. Now, I've included my contact information in the description below. Feel free to get in touch anytime. All that said, here is the gift that I promised you at the beginning of this video. I have included a free downloadable walkthrough checklist in the description below where you can get a copy of. Print it out, bring it with you, and use it as your guide to ensure that nothing gets left out during your final walkthrough. This checklist has been a game changer for many buyers just like you and will make the process smooth and worry-free for you as well. So I wanted to share. Your final walkthrough is your last chance to ensure that everything is in order before you officially become the new homeowner. If you have any questions or need clarification, do not hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you make your real estate journey as seamless as possible. That's it. Thanks for watching, and here's to your homeownership journey, and it's going to be great. Okay? Until next time, you stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.